Hello and welcome back to Here We Tow. Well, it's Tinterton Tuesday yet again, coming round thicker and faster than ever. As you're seeing it now, one of my subscribers, Secret, has provided me with an apron because I threw loads of food all over myself. So what can I say? Thank you very much. My new Tinterton apron that's going here. A little bit different this week. I'm just going to throw a load of stuff on, as you can see. Bit of a barbecue going on here at Tourfest 2019, Styley. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Cobb, the Cadac, and everything that we have available, because I'll show you exactly what we've got. If you can see here, we've got burgers, we've got ribs, we've got, I'll tell you what, I'll show you in a little bit, we've got loads of stuff. So what I'm going to do is we're going to throw it all on. I've got Mr. Caravan Gossip here in the sides. He's going to help me cook, sort it all out, and we're going to have a bit of fun. So stay with us and join us after this. So we've got a cameo appearance here from Mr. Lewis, Mrs. Lewis. Sid and Ann, past champions from Tourfest last year with the marinated lamb. So I'm taking some hints and tips. So a lot to go on here. But we've also got, come on guys.
Caravan Adventures with Archie.
We've got Jane, we've got Helen.
And Archie.
Little Archie. We've got Fudge, sat in the background, licking his chops.
Supervisor, as always.
Supervising in the corner from the ranks. One of our head sponsors here, Gail, one of the wardens.
Head sponsor.
Oh, one.
Here's the other warden.
He's the
happy one.
proper warden, Mark. That's what you're doing. Are you sure
Mr. Happy.
He's here supervising, watching his grass. He's just, you know, he's just measuring the glass, just so we know that it's not too.
This isn't mine because I am actually on duty. Yeah,
Holding it for someone.
Oh, hang on.
Vicky and Daniel.
Caravanning with the cows.
Cars caravans. And then we've got the best part of the gossip for caravans. Lulu.
Happy bunch there.
Happy Lulu.
Zoe and Grace.
Happy Zoe. Gracie and Doodles.
So what have we got?
Well, we're just having a look here. To be fair, it's just a load of food that's been thrown at me.
It's just a mess.
We've got burgers, we've got sausages, we've got belly pork, slices.
They're plain. You got some marination?
Yeah, I've got those. To be fair, I've gone with my own handmade sweet chilli, lime and lemongrass. It's a secret recipe, can't tell you anything further than that. We've also got
It's clever because he's put it in an
sticky original sticky barbecue sauce. Again, original recipe. Can't tell you anything about that. We've also got Mediterranean chicken breast kebabs, handmade by myself, and some minted lamb sticks that I prepared earlier on. We've got a bit of halloumi, beef burger flatties,
more burgers.
and then self-grown tomatoes, and yeah,
Don't forget the carrot.
all the dips and we've gone healthy as well with these orange things. They go down really well with the dip. So let's throw this on the Cadac and the Cobb and get some of it sorted in a bit. So here we are. So because it's going to take a little bit longer, I'm going to render down some of these pork bellies. So let's get these fired on first. Taking a little bit of heat.
Smell amazing.
Taking a little bit of heat out of the pan. Get the marinated on. This is the next lot. I think this is the smoky barbecue sauce marinade. To be fair, it was from M&S. So, just as we're starting, because it's a slow cook, what we've got here on the cob, we've got some posh dogs nicely smoking away just on the rack. So, they're just sitting in the background whilst we're cracking on with everything else. Everything that's a bit slower, we're going to sort of start with those and then go for the quick stuff. As you can see here, all nicely coming together, starting to get a little bit of colour. Let's have a quick check. Just finding the hot spots and the low spots. Give them a quick flip. Just keep them nicely cooking. And here we go, getting to the business end now. Just going to turn it back up again, get the heat, try and get some of this rendered off. Get some colour, make sure that they're cooked all the way through. Turn the heat up a little bit. Now we're at medium. That was low to start off with after it was initially heated on high. And they're getting there nice and slowly. These are now cooked, as you can see, a bit of colour on the top. So far we've got pork belly, which marinated, non-marinated, we've got burgers, we've got sausages, got a few more sausages just now smoking nicely on the cob. We've got some Mediterranean chicken breast kebabs, minted lamb kebabs and some halloumi. So let's get these whacked on and see exactly how these get on. From memory, these actually are quite fatty, so I'm putting them down to the side knowing that it's all going to run this way to keep them nice and moist. I'm going to have to keep an eye on them, keep turning them, keep them even, cooked on every side. Catch you in a bit. And the only problem that you have is when you have a cameraman who loves eating and keeps forgetting to turn the cameras on. So, where we're currently at, we've got these kebabs on here. We have onions on here that are cooking on the top of the cob, but also I've layered it up with the sausages that are cooking underneath. So, stop eating, start turning on.
Can I eat now? Can I eat now?
Can I eat now? One of the important parts of cooking is to obviously test the produce, especially when you're at a barbecue. Just got to make sure that everything's keeping right. Oh yeah. Coming to the end now, tell you. So, finishing off the kebabs, finishing off the sausages and the onion, and we're nearly there, ready for something to eat. So, there's nothing left. Oh well, there's nothing left. I'll be off to the kebab shop, I think. They've all just shouted that there's nothing left. Well, what better compliment is there than all the food that you're cooking is gone before you even get a chance to sample it? We shall see when we get over there in a bit what carnage has actually taken place. Let's have a look. So that's it. The onions are off, the burgers are off, the sausages are off, the kebabs are off. Just finishing off with a bit of sausage. So it's time to put it all together and we can sort it all out. So time to eat and enjoy the night with a tipple. And there we have it. That's the end of the cook. Last bit's going over. Let's head over and see what's actually left. So, that's it. Sorry, not really an instructional cook-off, but it's a meat medley here at Torafest. So, I want to thank you very much for watching so far. Everybody I think has got a full tummy. Now it's time for me to eat and go and eat. So, catch you, hopefully, in the next one. See you later.